redemption's call journey through Romans 1. In ancient scrolls, a letter unfolds, a message from Paul, wise and bold. To Romans he writes, with fervent grace, unveiling truths that time won't erase. In Romans chapter 1, a tale untold of human hearts and stories of old. For in this story of life we find the struggles, desires that shape mankind. From verse to verse, the words reveal the plight of souls, both false and real. The truth of God they chose to ignore and traded it for idols they adore. Darkened hearts consumed by sin, exchanging glory for lusts within. The Creator's majesty they deny, in futile pursuits their souls do lie. Yet in this fallen world of despair, a glimmer of hope, a love to share. For through the gospel's saving light, salvation shines, dispelling the night. For all who believe, a righteousness rare, from faith to faith, God's love to declare. In Christ, the power to redeem and restore the brokenness of hearts forevermore. So let us heed the words divine of Romans chapter 1, an ancient sign. To honor God in truth and grace, and let His love illuminate every space. For in this poetic letter we find the power of faith so unconfined, to transform lives and set us free in the wondrous grace of Calvary. As the voice waves carry this tale, may hearts be stirred, both humble and frail, to grasp the depths of God's great plan and find redemption through the Son of Man. So let this poetic retelling inspire a longing for truth that won't expire, and may the words of Romans chapter 1 resonate in hearts till kingdom come.